In a world that's all about fast and mass-produced, have you ever just craved something real? Something made by hand, with passion, that tastes like a story? Well, today, we're looking at a business that does exactly that. Let's dive in. Wow, what a line, right? That really says it all. Momo is promising to bring you the genuine, rich flavors from the Himalayas and then make them fresh just for you right here in Colorado. See, this isn't just about grabbing a bite to eat. It's about getting a whole experience. So what's the secret? What makes these momos so incredible? Well, it's not just about what's in them. It's really about how they're made, with intention, with tradition, and with the art of crafting every single one by hand. And this really shows you what I mean. On one side, you've got that impersonal, everything is the same factory food. But on the other side, that's what Young Momo is all about. Food made with actual care, using traditional family recipes prepared specifically for you. It's the difference between feeling like just another order number and feeling like a welcome guest. Okay, so this is what they're all about. We're talking handmade Tibetan momos, of course. They're using high-quality ingredients to get those truly traditional flavors. And this is the big one. Everything is freshly prepared for every single order. Nothing's just sitting around under a heat lamp. All right, let's get to the part I know you've been waiting for, the menu. Let's see what kind of deliciousness we're talking about here. First up, you've got the classic beef momo. Just imagine biting into that delicate wrapper, and inside is a filling of juicy, savory beef, seasoned perfectly with all these aromatic Tibetan spices. It's so rich and flavorful, just incredibly satisfying. And for all my vegetarian friends out there, check this out, the veggie momo. And hey, this is no afterthought. It's this beautiful blend of fresh cabbage, earthy spinach, and that soft, creamy paneer. It's an amazing combination of textures and flavors. And there's another fantastic veggie option, the zorg kog, which is a potato momo. Ugh, this is pure comfort food. It's this hearty, super flavorful mix of potatoes, spinach, and other veggies, making it just a wonderfully warming and filling choice. And get this, here's a little something extra special. It doesn't matter which momo you pick because every single order comes with free homemade Tibetan sepin. Now, this isn't just any old hot sauce. We're talking a spicy, flavorful, totally authentic dipping sauce that just takes the whole experience to another level. Okay, so you're probably thinking, how do I get my hands on these? I don't blame you. The good news is the process is super simple and direct. Let's walk through it. So the pricing is really straightforward. For just $30, you get one bag with 45 handmade momos. That's a ton. It's perfect for a family meal or honestly just for stocking your freezer with something amazing. But if you're planning a party or you just love a good deal, here's the pro tip. When you order 2 or more bags, you actually get 50 momos per bag for that same price. That is an absolutely fantastic deal for gatherings or community events. Ordering is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously, step 1, you need to order at least 3 days in advance. Why? Because everything is made fresh just for you. Step 2, just contact them directly. You can use WhatsApp, a call, or a text. And step 3, you just schedule your pickup. That's it. And here is the number you're going to need, so get ready to screenshot this or write it down. You can place your order at 469-667-4617. And again, that works for WhatsApp, calls, or texts, so it's super easy to get in touch. All right, just a few final details you'll want to know. First, this is only available in Colorado. There's a regular Sunday pickup at the TAC Sunday School, but you can also arrange a direct pickup. And hey, if you're planning a big party, just make sure to give them 1 to 2 weeks' notice. When you place an order with Young Momo, you're really doing more than just buying food. You're becoming part of something bigger, a story of tradition, of family, and the power of real, authentic craft. So everything we've talked about really boils down to these 3 words: homemade, crafted by hand with so much care; fresh, made just for you with quality ingredients; and authentic, a true taste of Tibetan tradition. I mean, that's the heart of Young Momo, right there. And that kind of leaves us with a simple question, doesn't it? In a world of fast, impersonal food, choosing something like this, well, it's a statement. It's a choice to support real people, real traditions, and real flavor. So are you ready to make that choice? And this final message really just says it all. It's a genuine thank you, because every single order helps a small, homemade business keep its cultural heritage alive through food. It's a connection that goes way beyond just buying something. And honestly, that's what makes every single Momo taste even better.